What's up, guys? Let's make Kung Pao Chicken. I thinly slice my chicken thighs. Next, crack an egg separated from the egg yolk. Using only the egg whites, marinate it into the chicken. This process is going to help the chicken become moist and tender. It's called velveting. Then I season it with some light soy sauce, chicken bouillon, Shaohsing wine, sesame oil, and cornstarch. Put some white pepper powder, and you can even add baking soda. That's what they do in restaurants to get it very moist and tender. Let's put this in the refrigerator, marinate for at least 30 minutes. You're gonna need some Szechuan peppercorn. You can mince it, but I'm just gonna use a pestle and mortar to crush it. Let's set this aside for later use. Get this really hot. Add oil to pan. Now we're gonna add in our chicken. You don't want them to clump, so kind of break them apart. For like 10 to 15 minutes, you want to give it a color. Or you could cook it like 80%. I just want to get it like a little brown. Go ahead and strain. Set it aside for later use. We're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic and ginger. Once that becomes fragrant, go ahead and add in the chilies and the scallions. Put in the rest of the stuff. And my Szechuan peppercorn. Wow, it's so beautiful. It smells so good. Give that a stir. And now I'm gonna reintroduce my chicken. Throw that back in there. And now I'm gonna add in some cooking wine, light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar. Do a little bit of oyster sauce, a little drizzle. Add a little bit of color, some dark soy sauce, a bit of sugar to help balance everything out.